What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna be working on the Accord, and as you guys know, here at Empty Garage, all we do is mess with the manuals, bro. All right, so today we're gonna do the oil change. Pretty basic maintenance, just because I already did the spark plugs and the air box and all that stuff. But we're just gonna do this real quick, bang this out. Hopefully it'll help one of you guys. If you guys are new to the channel, feel free to subscribe, hit that like button. We appreciate you guys. I just wanted to come on here and say thank you personally to everybody who has subscribed. We have about like 58 subscribers, I think, like 58 subscribers, and then 13% of people who are watching are subscribed. So big ups to you guys. Thank you guys so much. Thank you to all the dudes in the chat, all right, dudes in the channel, because everybody is dudes apparently, and from my demographics it's just all guys, so that's cool for the boys. But before we get started, I wanted to ask you guys a quick question. If you guys are Honda guys, like the Accord guys that are in the group, if you could have one of these 3 Accords, which one would it be? Obviously they all have to be stick, okay? And then stick, all right? So G23 build, right? H22 or J32, okay? The swap, the 6-speed swap, 6x6. And then drop a comment about which one you want and how you would want it built. So do you want like a boosted H22? Do you want a supercharged J32? You know what I'm saying? Like, how would you want it? For me personally, what this Accord is gonna be, right? We got the Accord here. What this one is gonna be eventually, I wanna say we're gonna go for the G build. So a little Frankenstein build, but right now all we're doing is just making it a reliable daily. Like I said, I got the little stuff on it, little coilovers, little intake box. I picked up headers, DC headers from the junkyard for like $5, so that's a plus. I'm gonna throw those on. We did the TSX. A couple of things we're gonna put on are like the spoiler and the roof sun visor, spoiler, whatever. All the little knickknacks to make it look more aesthetic. We'll soon be making these sequentials as well. My younger brother's gonna help me out with that because he did it to his, so that'll be a special treat. But yeah, this is the car for now. Like I said, we're gonna get into it, basic maintenance. So what you'll need is your oil. If you guys don't know, your oil for us it's 520. I put high mileage because this thing has like 200,000 on the clock. But if you don't know, it's 520. And then here's the filter I'm using. If you're completely at a loss, just go to AutoZone, give them your information, tell them you're doing an oil change, and they'll set you up. So that's your first step. Next step, you're gonna get ahead and get your jack and just get into the car, jack her up, and then from there we're just gonna drain the oil, and I'll show you guys, and after it, fill it, and then button it up, and that'll be the video, guys. So but yeah, put it in the comments, guys, what kind of specific Accord build would you want? Like I said, for me, I definitely want to go for a boosted G23 build, so we'll see how that goes later. That's later, and everybody knows that's pretty pricey as well, but we'll see. But yeah, drop a comment, guys. So all right, let's get this thing in the air, and then let's change out the oil. All right, guys, so it's in the air. The jack, got our jack stand. The oil plug is going to be on the driver's side. It's a 17, so just get up under there, get yourself an oil pan. All right, ooh. Right, here we go. So here's the oil pan, and then the oil drain plug is right there. There's your little nipple nozzle. All right, put that under, just crack it, let it drain, and then afterwards plug it up, fill it. I'm also gonna open this while I drain it, so that way everything can travel down and push out the oil completely. I'm just gonna get a microfiber or some gloves. How could I just get this? All right, guys. Well, I'll show you when it's spewing out its guts, and then when I'm done. All right, see you guys in a bit. Okay, so we cracked the bolt loose, and now we're gonna undo it. See if my bitch ass can do that one oil trick that everybody always does. Let me see if I can do it. All right. So what you gotta do? Let's see if I can do it. Fuck, where's the? Let me show you. All right, here. Whew. So unscrew it until you see it drip, until it's going, and then you hold it in with pressure, and then when you're ready, just pop it out. Oh yeah, she squirted on me, guys. Oh, it's warm. All right, cool. So now we have this. Take this out, let her drain, and then like I said, I like to release the top as well. That way air gets down there. Just push it all out. Okay, and then after this, pull out the oil filter, which is gonna be, I want to say on this side, it's probably down there, but we'll do that shit after. But yeah, so let it drain and then come back to it. All right, just kidding. My dumbass mixing up cars over here. I forgot what car it was. But the oil filter is right above the plug. So let me jack his car up a little higher. And then I don't know if I'll be able to show you guys, but I'll definitely show you guys after I get it out. But it's right there. Right there. Right here. So yeah, just reach your hand over and try to break it loose if you can't. There's tools for that. If you don't have the tools, you can go ahead and use the screwdriver method. But I think we have tools. Let me see. Where the fuck are these tools at? Okay. Yes, I'm winded, alright? I'm fucking fat. Fuck you guys. Just kidding. Alright, they're here somewhere. Specialty tools. Specialty tools are here. Nope, just kidding. Here they are. I have one of these. I also have one with the chain on it. I don't know where that's at. I'll find another one right here. And this is going to be small. This is good. All right. So oil is finished draining out. I'm going to hook this on and then crack it counterclockwise. Let that drain too. And then fill everything up. Drop her down. Should be good to go. All right, guys. So got the oil filter off. We put a little rag there so that way none of that oil drips onto the flex pipe. It just catches it in the towel. And then what we're going to do is first we're going to get our new filter. Okay. And then from there we're just going to go ahead and get a little bit of oil with my finger. And then go ahead and put some on the filter ring and then stick it up there. So, yep. After that, we're gonna go ahead and tighten everything down, put our oil from the top, and call it a day. I believe the capacity is 4.5. Yeah, 4.5 quarts. You can double check online, but that's gonna do it. So, and then we're gonna turn it on and pray that it doesn't explode. All right, let's do it. All right, so everything's buttoned up and drained. Now we're gonna fill it. We got a Castrol high mileage. I don't have an oil filter, so I just made a makeshift one out of an old container. Yeah, so 4.5 or 4.2, somewhere in that area. I just looked it up, and we're just gonna pour it and then close everything up and start her up. All right, guys, I'm definitely not doing this on camera because I know I can't balance one and one, so I'll probably make a mess. But yeah, we'll do it after. All right, so everything's filled up. And all we're gonna do is check the oil level. So if you don't know, it's just this little rod right here. Pull it out, wipe it down first before you look at it. First reading is not accurate. And then once you have it wiped off, go ahead and put it back in. Come on, you piece of shit. Okay, there it goes. Put it back in. And then when you check it, it should be between the two dots. And yeah, just about. So we're gonna start her up, and then afterwards we're gonna check whether or not she might be leaking, because we gotta always double check your work. Okay. All right. So everything's good to go. And now full maintenance is pretty much done. Spark plugs, oil change and filter. Yeah, you guys like that, huh? Bunch of pervs. No, I'm just kidding. Okay. Please don't blow up. Please don't blow up. Please don't blow up. Sweet. Baby Jesus. Cool. Damn. All right. Idle is good. Go around. Check for any leaks on the bottom. Always double check your work. Nada empanada. That's not a leak, I promise. That's just from when I took it out earlier. Yeah, it's good to go. Cool. All right, guys. Well, that's gonna be the video. We're done for today. Basic maintenance is covered on this car. Now we're just gonna close it up, put the oil in an old container, and take it back to the store so they can do the recycling. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And before anybody starts harassing and bullying each other, one another in the comments, like, oh yeah, why is he doing an oil change? It's so easy. Yes, you guys got to remember, oil changes are easy. However, we always have new members, new people coming to the channel who may not be experienced like you guys are. And the thing is, the last time I went to go get an oil change, especially where I'm from, so I'm here in LA, they advertised $40 oil changes. The kit was 40 bucks, and this is synthetic. But when you pull up to these little shops, right, it's not 40 bucks, it's 100, because they're like, oh, it's synthetic, oh, it has to be 100. So I'm just like, bro, I would rather just do it myself for the 40 and save myself the 60. You know what I'm saying? And then sometimes they don't even change out the filter. That's another thing. So this is just another way to help somebody who might not have the money to get a full synthetic change at a place who might not even change out your filter and stuff, like, you know what I mean? And then I understand business is business, but if you can help out and you're part of the community, why not? So instead of, you know, being like, oh yeah, well, we don't need another tutorial video, just think about the people who might need it, you know? And what are you doing to help them? So hopefully this does help somebody, whether you're returning or new. Welcome guys. I appreciate you guys. Be sure to like, subscribe, and drop that comment, guys. Let me know what kind of engine you would want and how you would want it built. All right, guys. Well, take it easy. Until next time. Yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. Sheesh.